What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty with the Dividend Stock King. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here to talk about dividend investing, how to make money online, passive income strategies. And today's topic is: should I invest in the ETF even at an all-time high? That's a very hard question to answer because it depends. But before I begin, I'm not giving any financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just for fun. So please do your own research homework before you invest in anything. Okay, don't listen to me. I'm not an expert. So let's take one. I got a few ETFs that I own. Um, let's check out QLDS ETF that everybody's familiar with. Um, and I say it depends on. I say it depends. If you see something like this price usually stays around $24, $25. It dipped down to 20. And it did down to $18. Even during the March 2020 kerfuffle, it went down $3, $18. So now it's back to where it normally is. And let's go to I own 113 shares. I love it. And let's go to the holdings. So the 52-week low. No, let me see. That's a 50. So it's only $21. After the whole year, it went down $21, and the high is $23. So it stays around 20 to 23, $24. So with this ETF, by the history, it don't matter when you get in. There are some other ETFs as well that people can be like, well, I don't know about this because it's at an all-time high. But if you see a steady trend going up, you don't have to put a lot of money into it. Look at the VO, Vanguard, S&P. Let's go to the 5-year trend. And yeah, right now it's at an all-time high. And you got in back in March 2020, you made some money. You got back in, some years ago you got it, but right now it's at 438, which is expensive. So, historically, it's always gone up. Historically, it's always gone up. See, something like this, the only reason that it dropped is because of March 2020. That's the only reason it dropped. So it dropped from 305, 310 to 210. So it's up about $90 to $80. And then it started climbing that, it started climbing back up. Now it's at 400. So you made some money if you invested in VO back then. This here, I wouldn't buy, in my personal opinion, I'll just throw $50 into it, $100 into it. I wouldn't try to buy the full share. That's a lot of money. And I can't tell you what to do. Historically, if you look at it, yeah, it'll keep going up. It might go up to 550. That is a gamble in the stock market. See, it's hard to tell where. See, QLD, you can have a history of up and down, up and down, up and down, but this has got a history of always going up. So that thing that happened in March 2020, it will be higher than it is today, in my personal opinion. So it depends. So for me personally, if I had to invest in this, I would throw like in $50. I wouldn't throw in $500 at this because, I don't know. That's just me. That's a lot of money put into one share of ETF, but or index. But it's always gone up, and it's up for the past 5 years, 111%. Let's see the year. It's going up all-time highs right now. To the year, up 28%. I might throw like $25 in here just to get me in the ball game. It's up. Today is down, -8%, but for the week, it's up 3%, it's up 13%. So 3%. So it's going to continue to go up. If you want to invest in this, if you want to buy a full share, that's your prerogative. But I would be careful because you don't know how far it's going to go up. It might continue to go up. So put $25, $30 into it and give it a week and see how it is. If it keeps going up, I'm going to keep investing because I don't know. Even here, It's hard to say. It's very hard to say. It's a fear of going down. But if you are an investor and you don't care how it goes, because historically it's always gone up, I would invest. I would do it. You can bet $50, $60, $100, but historically, with the stock market returns, I would do it. I would personally do it. How much I put in? Maybe $50, $100, something. But I would do it. I would have done it here at $3.99 or $3.90 because you would up some money. So I mean, I would because it's keep going up. I don't see it ever going down. And you look at the holdings, technology, finance, real estate, healthcare. I mean, you gotta look at Amazon, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, Tesla. It's gonna be hard not to invest in this. And then you go here, the 52-week low is 335. So it's still high. So the weekly high was today, matter of fact, as December 28th, 2021. The 52-week high was today. So today's low was 437. So you got today's low. I would, depending on the ETF, if it looks something like this, I might invest. I'll be more inclined to invest in it. If I see something like QLD that's here and steady, I'll still invest into it. But something like this, I would. But you see the opposite. It was here, now it's gone down, and maybe not. So that's my answer to the question. Do your own research before you invest in anything. My name is Tyler Dividend Stock King. Thanks for watching.